This eyeliner is 3 times the price of the usual eyeliners that I test from the drugstore, which means that it should be 3 times as good. Don't you agree? Eyeliner is from Estee Lauder, and it's their little black eyeliner. It says you can get thick, thin, or ultra fine lines, 2 tips and 3 lines. It has a flat wedge tip to create a classic line. Turn it on the side for a thick, full-on drama. It's a waterproof, smudge-proof, flake-proof formula. It's fragrance-free, and you should shake well before each use. And it retails for £31. Let's take a look at these brush options, shall we? This is the ultra fine side of the pan. This is what the brush tip is giving. It does look quite skinny, but I have seen skinnier. This is the thin slash thick side. I've never seen an eyeliner that looks like that in my life. It's kind of like an oval shape. You can get really thick if you draw it that way, or like really skinny if you draw it that way. Let me show you what that means. You can get like different variations of eyeliner in with like this thicker side and do like the eye based eyeliner. I switched to the ultra fine side now because I just find this kind of like style of pen way easier to draw a liner on with. I've gone for quite a thick eyeliner, evidently. From what I can tell, like the way that this is dried down, this isn't a matte formula, so it's not really my favorite formula of eyeliner. Guys, this is how much I love you guys, and I'm committed to testing this eyeliner properly. I've even gone in and drawn a little like inner corner wing liner, which I hate doing. I love how flexible like the fine tip one is, so when you're going in and you're like flicking it off the edge of the skin, you can really get like a skinny defined edge going up. Boy, do I love this eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. The reason that I never do this inner corner wing situation is because it always smudges on me. Like, even if my eyes don't water and aren't playing up whilst I'm doing my makeup, somehow it still rubs off. But like maybe 3 hours into the makeup at this point, you know, I've been reviewing my eating my salad, I've been doing all sorts. It hasn't moved one single little bit. Actually, you're gonna have to see if this is smudge proof just by testing it on the eyes. You know how this goes at this point. We're at a 6-hour wear test. I just thought I'd pop on and show you guys how well this is to hold up. There's no like creasing into like the hoods of my eyes where my eyes have gone oily. It's not worn off in my inner corner. It's literally like indestructible when it comes to my inner corner. Overall, I think this is a very good eyeliner for £31 though. A little bit steep in my opinion. But I'm impressed with this. It looks pretty sickening. Wouldn't you agree?